I only have a moment to film this because that rain is coming hard and coming fast. This is sometime after 9:30 Thursday morning. I'm already feeling raindrops, so I gotta go. But look at that shit. Look. I'm at Ormond Beach, Granada Bridge, right on the pier right here. Oh my God, that's gorgeous. Look at that. That's incredible. I gotta go because I don't want my Nikon to get soaked. Look at that. Oh, that's coming from the south. Look at that over there over the beach. Granada Bridge. All this shit coming up early. That's rain up there. Sun right there, and I got to go because it's starting to rain. This is Ormond Beach Sky Watcher. Millie sees you. And I'm out.